So, hello everyone. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a prime number program in C++. So, let's get started and open your C++ editor and let's start with the data files. Include iostream using name space std. So, int main. So, these are the prerequisites codes. Okay. So, first thing we are going to get the input from the user. So, int n. Okay. So, we have got the input. We have declared it. Cout enter number c in n. Okay, that's good. So now what we are going to do is we are going to check whether the number is greater than 1, because 0 is not a prime number, 1 is a unique number. Many of them confused with 1 is not a prime number, 1 is a unique number. So the number should always be greater than 1. Okay, so you can also skip this step, but there's no problem. But if someone gives a random number 0 or 1, your program will fail. So that's why I'm saying, so just put a if statement. If n greater than, so let it be like this. If n less than 2, let it be less than 2 corresponds to 1 and till the negative numbers. Okay, so it's going to be cout not prime number. Okay, let it be like that. The else part, if you are giving a number greater than 1, that is from 2 to that other end, else. Okay, so this is the main part actually of the program. We're going to skip that, I have told you already. So first what we're going to do is, if suppose we are entering a number n, so what we are going to do is from 2 till that number n minus 1, actually we are going to divide and see each number with the entered number. Suppose you are giving 5 or 6 is the number, means first we will divide 2 by 6, then 2 by 6. So the condition will solve. Let us consider another number 10. Let us consider the number 10 is being inputted. So first we will divide 10 by 2, it gets a prime number. And so this is what we are going to do. Suppose it is 22, okay, let it be 55, let it be 55 be the number. So in that case we need to, first we will start from 2, 2 won't divide 55, another increment 3, 3 won't divide, then 4, 4 won't divide, 5 will divide, then we will stop the loop. That is what we're going to do. Let me type and explain it. If, so wait, for loop, for int I equal to 2, it should start from 2, otherwise there's no use running the program. I less than n. So the number, it should not be equal to a number I plus plus. Okay, so if n mod I equal to 0, just the modulus, it returns the remainder. If the number is n, it's going to go from, consider a number, if we are considering 55 over here. So 55, n is 55, and first it will go for the for loop. If 55 mod 2 is not equal to 0, then I will be incremented 3, 55 mod 3 not equal to 0, 55 mod 4 not equal to 0, 55 mod 5 will be equal to 0. So that time what we are going to do is, we are just going to print cout not a prime number. Okay, that's it. We have found the number, whether it's prime number or not. So but there's still another problem is that if we just print out and leave it, it will again, the for loop will run and I value will be 6, 7, 8 like that. So when it comes to 11, again this cout will be printed. We want to avoid that. So what we're going to do is, we're just going to use break. What break does is just comes out of the for loop. So we have used in switch, break will is commonly used for each case, so that the subsequent cases are not being repeated if its condition stands for a particular case. So that's why break is used. So we are just going to use break to exit the loop once the condition. Okay, this works perfect. But there's another problem in it. This will work only if a number is not a prime number. What if a number is for a prime number? If 37 is the number, none of these conditions is going to get satisfied. Till 36, I will run from 2 to 36, and this is not going to come inside this if loop. The program will just go somewhere. No output will be displayed. So what we're going to do is just put a if statement over here, and we're going to use a flag. So what is a flag? Flag is nothing but a simple variable condition, just a condition. Okay. So inside this, if a number is a prime number, what we're going to do is, we're going to assign m equal to 0. Okay. And outside if you will put m equal to 1, that means m is changed. Okay, if it's a prime, if it is not a prime number, m will be 0, and that's it, program is over. M will be 0 if condition won't be executed over here. Okay, just going to type cout prime number, that's it, that's the program. Let's run and see cout compile and run. If we put 37 prime number, clone is not working. Okay. So 35 not a prime number. Okay, we are getting. So if we put in number, negative number, let's check that also. Minus 30 not a prime number. I don't know whether integer numbers are prime or not. Negative numbers can be considered as a prime number or not, but generally we get this case. So if you don't want that, let the number be. We don't want to consider negative numbers. Okay, this is built in the program. This flag is also a very important point. This is the main program. There's another more changes could be applied to this program actually. This, in case if for a if it is not a prime number, the loop will run n times. Okay, time complexity will be big O of n. So it's unnecessary learning n times. So for a number to be in order to find factor or multiples, it's necessary to divide the number by till half of the numbers. Let me show you. Suppose if that number is 37, okay, 37 is a prime number. So maximum number that can be a factor of 37 is going to be 37 divided by 2, which is going to be 18. Okay, let's remove the decimal, 18. So after that it's going to be 19. So 19 into 2, 19 into 2 is going to be 38. So there is no chance for numbers after 18 to divide the 37. Okay, there's no chance for the number to divide completely 37. So you can put n by 2. Okay, this reduces time complexity by half. So this is not going to make a change, but in case of some complex programs, and in any case someone questions about time complexity, you can do this. Okay, this is also going to give the same output. Okay, nothing is going to change. Same 37. Just we are going to get the same output over here. Okay, and nothing is going to change, I think so. Okay, so I think it could be about n plus 1 by 2. Okay, that could be better. For some numbers it may not satisfy. N plus 1 by 2 or n by 2, both are fine. That's not going to make a change. Guys, thanks for watching, and for more such tutorials, subscribe and support. Thank you.